Okay, the reason I stopped is because we not only do we have those two erroneous points, but the break line for that segment was also bad because it was drawing the data from those points. So we had to, I used the trim command to remove it, and it's cleaned up the contours. So now what I'm going to do is turn off that surface fault layer, and we're going to continue with the processing of the surface. We got some weird stuff happening here too, but it's all right. We can deal with all this. So we're going to select the building. Yep. Isolate it. Now we're just dealing with the building. Let's unisolate it again. Isolate. Hang on. I want to see all the points. I want to see what the guy shot right here. So let's go back to point groups, properties, and this is pretty important. You can slide the various point group definitions up and down this scale. This is like a hierarchy. So all points just shows every point the same way and includes every single point in the drawing. So if I move that, use this button to move, select it, right? And use this button to move it to the top, apply, okay. All points are shown. So what did we get here? Building extend. So I'm going to go to line, create a line. Wait a minute, am I drawing in 3D? I forget. How do I check that? Right click, options, drafting. This is checked, so it means I am using 2D. That's what we want, because the building's not 3D. I'll draw a line, and draw this line. Oh, it's red. Delete that. I'm going to select this, make my layer the building layer, and draw the line. Rotate it. 180. I got another one trick up my sleeve. And draw that line, take it. I'm going to use the should have done that at the beginning. At the Zoom meeting tab in my way. So I'm going to use this mirror command. Let's say we didn't have the icon here. Start typing the word mirror. It suggests it, and that's the command we want. I'm going to mirror this line. And I want it to go perpendicular to this building wall. We can erase the source object. Okay. I'm going to move it over to here. That's the last good building corner he shot. And we need to extend this using the F or fillet command. It's extended. Now the building is all one. Let's trim this out. Oh, this is a shed, huh? Well, it can't go inside our building, so there must be something a little goofy with the shots. Like that. Okay, we don't want these contours going through the building. Let's go to our prospector tab, surface. This is our surface, definition, boundaries. We want to add a boundary. What type of boundary do we want to add? We want to add a hide. It's the building. Want this one and this one. We don't want to see contours inside there. Didn't work. I'll show you why. I'm gonna hit Control Z, undo some stuff. Let's take that definition out of there. I know why this didn't work. Let's isolate the building layer. It's not one piece. That's what happened. I'm going to say polyline edit, PE, join. What is this thing? Let's trim that. I guess the chimney. Gonna extend here, or you can type extend if you don't remember. Not extrude, but extend. Draw a line across it, and look, it extended it to there. And we're going to do trim. Trim out that bit. And then I got to go polyline edit again. Join. This is all one big piece now. Like this. Unisolate. Add a boundary, hidden boundary, building. Okay. Select that one and this one. Boom. Contours are hidden inside here. That's our surface. I see there's some weird stuff happening here, so we're going to have to clean that up a little bit. This looks like this is a deck. Let's do this. Isolate these two layers. Extend the deck till it connects there to there. Use a brown shot in here. I don't think I want that. I'm going to unlock that and delete that. I'm going to update my point groups. Tell my surface to rebuild. It's already set to rebuild automatically. Look, it did. I don't think I necessarily want these contours going on the deck either. It just looks silly. So I'm going to isolate this. Add another hidden boundary deck. See if this works. I'm not sure if it will or not. Anyway, those are the basics of creating a surface. What I would have to do is close this polyline around here and then do it. So let's do it just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to continue this around. Let's isolate both of these. I'll join that deck into one polyline. Deleted the deck out of the definition. Going to re-add it. Boundary add, hide, deck. Gone. The rest of this looks pretty good. Gonna stop there.